Topic number 2, 5 steps to take before exam day. Review your contact information, check your technology, practice submitting a response, gathering what you need, and receiving your exam confirmation and e-ticket email. Review your contact information. If you're not getting any email updates from AP, you can go into My AP, follow these directions to get your address updated. It says you should not worry if you're not getting emails from AP because you can get your e-ticket inside your My AP account. Make sure you figure out what kind of device you're using. I think whatever you've been using for AP Classroom will be okay for the AP exam. Notice that you don't need the lockdown browser anymore. I think people were having problems with that, so they took that away. Also, if you have Grammarly on your computer, you need to get that removed. Those are some things down there for calc, chemistry, and stats. Again, Word, Google Doc, Notes, all those are okay. You can either copy and paste from one to the other or download and upload it. Before test day, make sure your docs are ready by typing your AP ID and initials at the top. And then you will have 2 documents for our exam because AP Comm Sci has 2 questions, so they want 2 docs, and here's an example of how you could label them: AP Biology question 1, AP Biology question 2. If you're going to do handwriting, see page 25 of the manual. Next week, we will do a practice upload or a practice exam demo with your technology to make sure everything's working okay. I will send separate directions on how to do that next week. For AP Comm Sci, you will need your exam e-ticket email, actually for all of your exams, your exam e-ticket email, your checklist, a device, a browser, preferably Chrome, internet connection, Word, Google Docs, Notes, or any other application to enter and save text. You are allowed to use notes, study guides, textbooks, classroom resources, assignments, and previous assessments. In addition, AP Comm Sci, you also get the quick reference sheet, which I emailed the link again this morning and also reconnected it in Schoology. Hopefully that will work for you. And you can also use a programming environment like Eclipse. There's other courses there. Regarding the optional resources, so you can use anything basically on paper, but stay away from the internet searches. That will waste your time and put you at risk of an exam violation. It says the more time you spend searching the web, the less time you spend answering the question. Internet facts aren't needed, especially for ours. And then copying from websites, social media, etc., is considered plagiarism, and they will cancel your score. If you want more tips about how to use textbooks, etc., on the AP exam, here's the site down here at the bottom. So next week, Monday, May 4th, you should be getting an exam confirmation email that lists all the exams that you're registered for. If you're not listed, there's nothing we can do about it anymore. So hopefully our school did a good job and has got all of you over there. I'm thinking they should. I wouldn't see why not. If you're not registered for whatever reason, they're saying there's nothing they can do about it anymore because of the whole e-ticket process, and then there's other ways for you to get the credit if you want. 2 days before the exam, you should receive your email with your e-ticket and your AP ID. Here's directions on the AP exam checklist. I went over that in a separate video. And then this is the beginning of the next one. See you in a bit.